Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025 and need to fund your Coinbase account using a wire transfer, you've come to the right video. This method is super secure and perfect for larger deposits, especially with the evolving banking integrations we're seeing. Today, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can get your funds in quickly and start trading. First things first, make sure your Coinbase account is fully verified. This is crucial for security reasons and to avoid any delays. Head over to the Coinbase website or app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet or Deposit section. It's usually right on the main dashboard. Next, select Deposit Funds. You'll see a list of options like bank transfer, debit card, or wire transfer. Choose Wire Transfer as your method. Coinbase will then generate specific instructions tailored to your account, including a unique recipient bank details, account number, and routing information. Don't skip this. Copy these details carefully because accuracy is key to avoid any issues. Now, switch over to your bank's online portal or visit a branch. Look for the wire transfer option and enter the details provided by Coinbase. You'll need to include your name, the amount you want to deposit, and possibly a reference number. Remember, wire transfers can take 1 to 2 business days to process, so plan ahead. Once the transfer is initiated, keep an eye on your Coinbase account for confirmation. You might receive an email or a notification when the funds arrive. Pro tip: always enable two-factor authentication on your Coinbase and bank accounts to protect against fraud. It's a game changer in 2025's digital landscape. And there you have it. You've successfully deposited money into Coinbase via wire transfer. This method is reliable, but if you run into any hiccups, Coinbase's support team is there to help. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.